My name is Wesley Arevalo, and this is my performance assessment. First thing first, we're going to get into section B, and I'm going to run it to show that it works. Okay, it's a good result there. Now I'm going to input this sample code here to show that it transforms. So sci-fi originally, if we come over to the column and look at the properties, it's a varchar variable. And the purpose of this is to get a text variable. So we're going to run this. And you can see it there that is now text. All right, moving on to C. First thing first, we're just going to run the code, make sure it works. Okay, good result there. And this should give us two empty tables. So I'm going to open these up. Okay, here's our detail table. Yep, empty, and our summary table. Same thing. Excellent. Moving on to section D, this is where we insert our raw data. Going to run this. And same thing. It works. It's good. And now I'm going to run this here to show that it successfully populates the data. And it does. No longer a blank table. Good result. All right, moving on to E. I'm going to run these two individually. Okay, good result there. And good result here. This is where we created our trigger. So we are going to run this query to show what it looks like before and after the trigger. So before the trigger, our summary table looks like this. Now, after the trigger, our summary table now looks like this. Okay, so our trigger works just fine. Moving on to section F. This is where we created the stored procedure, and we're going to prove that it works now. So this is the code here. Good result. I'm going to show you what these look like before. So this is the summary table. Notice that there's this null value here. And then on our detail table, notice that it's sorted by title. Now we're going to refresh them both. Our summary table is now, there's no longer a null value there. And in our detail table, it should be sorted by rating, as shown right here. And there it is. If we scroll down, we can see that the rating is how this is sorted. Okay, this concludes my PA video.